Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in an established upper income residential community of Belvedere, which is west of Queen Hill, is this gorgeous split level home with lots of garden space and all the fruit trees you need to feed your family. As you approach the house, a neatly landscaped front yard with well manicured greenery welcomes you into a secure two-car garage. The main entrance opened into a spacious foyer adorned with elegant ceramic tiles. A short flight of stairs leads you up to the main living area, where you'll find an open concept layout, seamlessly connecting the living room, dining area, and kitchen. Ascending a few steps, you reach the second level, which is dedicated to the bedrooms. The master bedroom occupies a private corner of the house with an impressive sized balcony with a stunning view of the surrounding hill and a glance of the city. The land area of this house is approximately 14,460 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 61 million or US $396.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, Please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.